This is going to be a room tour of the Golden Donaire Beach here in La Pineda, Costa Dorada. So let's head on in. It's only going to be a short video because the rooms aren't massive. So as soon as you come in, our bathroom here is on the right hand side. And the room does come with a kettle, safe and a mini fridge. Real comfy beds, plenty of storage space, TV on the wall there, and this one is a sea view room. We'll head out onto the balcony, and that is the view from this room. This is on the 3rd floor. I think there's 8 floors in total, maybe wrong, there might be 9. So that is a room tour of the Golden Donaire Beach in La Pineda, Costa Dorada, Spain. Thanks for watching.